Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. If you've recently purchased the NETGEAR Orbi RBK23, this video is for you. Expand your Wi-Fi coverage with the NETGEAR Orbi RBK23 mesh system. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install the system using the Orbi app and eliminate dead zones throughout your home. Follow this detailed NETGEAR Orbi RBK23 app setup tutorial to get your mesh Wi-Fi network running in just a few minutes. This guide covers every step, including network creation, satellite synchronization, and firmware updates. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Unplug the modem from the power outlet. If your modem has a backup battery, remove it. Wait for 1 minute. Locate the yellow Ethernet port on the back of the Orbi router. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the modem. Connect the other end to the yellow Ethernet port on the Orbi router. Plug the modem into the power outlet. Wait until all modem lights become stable. Plug the Orbi router into the power outlet. Wait for the Orbi LED to turn solid white. This process may take up to 5 minutes. Download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and tap Get Started. If you already have an account, tap Sign In. New users must tap Create Account and enter email address, password or security questions. Verify your email if requested. The app will ask you to scan the QR code. Locate the QR code on the bottom of the Orbi router or the Quick Start Guide. Use your phone's camera to scan it. If scanning doesn't work, tap Continue without scanning. Enter the router information manually. The app will automatically connect to the router. Now create your personal Wi-Fi network. Enter Wi-Fi network name, SSID, strong Wi-Fi password. Choose a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. This password will be used by every wireless device in your home. Now it's time to install the satellite. Plug the satellite into a power outlet. Place it near the router for the first setup. Wait several minutes while it powers on. The Orbi app will begin searching for the satellite automatically. Once the satellite appears in the app, tap Add Satellite. Wait while the router and satellite synchronize. The pairing process usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. Do not unplug either device during synchronization. Now the setup ID complete. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.